Hi! Today we'll be learning Maple Leaf Rag, composed by Scott Joplin on the piano. We will start off with a tutorial to show you how to play this song, followed by a demonstration of the piece. Have a delightful time playing this song. Before we jump into the tutorial, let me give you a brief introduction on the composer and the piece. Scott Joplin is an American composer who was famous for ragtime. He has composed over 100 pieces of ragtime and is known as the king of ragtime. The Maple Leaf Rag that we are going to learn today is the first ragtime that he has ever composed. So, what is a ragtime? It is a genre of musical composition for the piano, with each hand doing something different. The left hand represents the rhythm section, playing much like bass and chords accompaniment. The right hand plays the syncopated melodies in a ragged fashion, where some of the accents fall on the on beats and some accents fall on the off beats. Its time signature is usually in 2/4 or 4/4 and has 3 to 4 themes in a piece. Each theme typically has 16 bars, with the first 2 themes in tonic key and remaining in subdominant key. The Maple Leaf Rag that we are going to play today is in 4/4 and has 3 themes. The first 2 themes are in C major, whereas the third theme is in F major. I'm going to explain this piece in 3 different parts. Like I said in the introduction, the right hand usually plays the syncopated melodies, whereas the left hand plays the bass and chords accompaniment. Let's start with the first 4 bars. I'll play the right hand for you. Make sure you get the rhythm right. I'll do the second time with the counting. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Let's move on to the left hand. Please take note that bar 1 and 2 are the same as bar 3 and 4. Take note that when you play the first 3 notes, you have to make sure they are joined together. Now, try to play hands together. Let's move on to the second line. I'll play the right hand first. I'll play again with counting. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Then move on to the left hand. Make sure you do all the accents and staccatos on your left hand correctly. I'll play again for you. Let's combine both hands. Let's move on to the third line. Let's play the right hand first. I'll play again with counting. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Let's move on to the left hand. I'll play it once for you. Make sure you hold the bottom notes, the F sharp, the G, the A flat, G, G. And make sure you do the bottom notes louder than the other chords, like this. Let's combine both hands. This is the last line for part A. I'll play the right hand for you. Take note that the first note is a tie note from previous bar. I'll do the second time with counting. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Then the left hand. Let's do it with counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure you hold the notes. The F sharp on the bar 13, then on bar 15, the A flat, the G, then the G again. Let's play hands together.